tornado warning remains in effect until 7 p.m. for the following county: Baltimore County, Maryland. This is NOAA Weather Radio. All hazards for northeastern Maryland and the nearby areas. Station WXK-97 from Jarrettsville, Maryland, on a frequency of 162.50 megahertz. The following is a short-term forecast from the National Weather Service for the following county: Harford County, Maryland. Isolated showers and thunderstorms are possible across the metropolitan areas of Washington, D.C. and the city of Baltimore this evening. Harford County, Pennsylvania. Scattered showers will continue to move northward through southeast Pennsylvania over the next couple of hours. These showers are capable of producing rainfall accumulations upwards of a quarter-inch. The wind was south at 5 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.68 inches and steady. At Dover, Delaware, it was mostly cloudy. The temperature was 74 degrees, the dew point 64 degrees, and the relative humidity 71%. The wind was south at 12 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.64 inches and steady. At BWI Airport, it was partly cloudy. The temperature was 71 degrees, the dew point 64